Let me show you our ready goods. This packing is our brand, House Lauren brand. And this is our ready goods, low MOQ. And let me show you the packing. This is our color box. See this, and the kettle in the inside. And this we have a bed. We have a bed. Put it in inside like this. And we use the plastic bag to pack our kettle and protect. See this color, very nice. It's a colorful, like this. And for the button, we can make your logo in this button. And this button mark is our House Lauren logo. And button, we make the capsule button. And we can make the single button and capsule button. This is a capsule button. And then the body, this have a step. Also, we can make logo on the body like this skill logo. And see this handle. This handle is a nylon handle, and the lid also is a nylon lid. See the mouth. Here is a visual mouth. So we call this kettle also is a visual mouth, visual kettle. And this lid, this stainless steel part, and this nylon part. In the inside, we also make the satin polish.